The Lightbox or Bright Pad is a common tool used by cricketers to weed vinyl. In this video, I'm going to test one out and find out if it's really worth it to help you make an informed purchasing decision. I've opted to review a non-cricket brand Lightbox, which I purchased from Amazon. I'll pop a link in the description below. Let's first compare the specifications of the Cricket branded Bright Pad and our A3 Lightbox. Size-wise, the Cricket Bright Pad is 11.5 inches by 9 inches, so around the size of an A4 piece of paper. Our Lightbox is 18.5 inches by 14.6 inches, the size of an A3 piece of paper, so the Lightbox definitely wins this round. The Bright Pad is lighter at 1.75 pounds compared to 2.4, but when you take into account that the Lightbox is bigger, they're about the same weight. Thickness-wise, they're almost identical, but the Lightbox wins this round. The brightness of the Cricket Bright Pad is 3,800 lumens compared to only 1,800 lumens on the cheaper Lightbox. So the Cricket is definitely brighter. They both have 3 levels of brightness and they come with a USB cable to power it up. Pricing on the Cricket Bright Pad is around $60 and the Lightbox is $40. Cricket have also brought out a $100 version which is wireless. So let's use the product. The Lightbox is powered by a micro USB port. They don't provide a power adapter, but you can easily use a USB adapter that you currently use to charge your mobile devices. The light is controlled with this button here, and you can press down to dim the light or make it brighter. The light itself is pretty bright, but not so bright that it's harsh on your eyes. To really test this out, I'm going to weed 3 different types of vinyl. I'm picking these intricate mandala designs to really see if the Lightbox can make the weeding process easier. Let's start with the glitter. Glitter vinyl is, in my opinion, the absolute hardest to weed. I don't know about you, but I can never see those cut lines, no matter what I do. So I had really high hopes that the Lightbox would help, and it absolutely did. You can see the light is clearly shining right through all of the lines. It was so easy to weed and I was super impressed. Next up, I tried a light-coloured heat transfer vinyl, and I was a bit disappointed. I couldn't see the light shining through at all. I tried turning the lights off in the room, turning them back on again, but it actually made it harder to weed with the Lightbox than just doing it the old-fashioned way. So light colours were a no for me. Last up, I tried premium black vinyl. It didn't make the process that much easier. I could see a little bit more light shining through the lines than the light colour, but it really wasn't enough to help me with the weeding process. I much preferred turning the room lights on so I could see those cut lines. So what's my final verdict? For the glitter vinyl, absolutely amazing. I would definitely use this Lightbox for all of my glitter vinyl projects in future. For everything else though, I have to say it was a bit of a letdown and it actually made it a bit more difficult to weed in my opinion. So overall, if you're cutting a lot of glitter vinyl, I definitely recommend the purchase. Otherwise, I'd stick to the traditional weeding methods of having a well-lit room and using the right tools. I've got a handy guide on my website with all the tools that I love to use with my Cricket. I'll pop a link in the description below so you can check that out. I hope this honest review has been helpful. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. It helps me make more videos like this.